Varicose veins are large and gnarled. Every single vein that is found within the body can get the condition, but the ones that have the biggest probability are the ones found at the legs and feet. The reason for this is that the feet and legs have increased pressure that comes about due to prolonged standing or walking. There are varied symptoms for different persons. In consideration of varicose veins treatment, NYC residents could consider quite a number of options. Fortunately, one does not have to stay in the hospital, and whenever they do, it is never for long. Owing to the fact that most procedures used are never invasive, the condition can be treated and the patients released on the same day. For purposes of easing pain and preventing the condition from getting worse, self-care is very important. This includes taking up exercises, reducing weight, wearing loose clothes, and elevating the legs. Before exploring the various other forms of treatment, one should begin by wearing compression stockings. Normally, one is supposed to wear them for the whole day. Wearing of stockings helps muscles and veins in the legs and feet to move blood more efficiently. This is made possible through their squeezing effect on legs. The level of compression of the stockings is dependent on not only the type, but also brand chosen. Most pharmacies and medical supply stores sell the stockings. The charges will depend on two factors: the type of stockings chosen and the particular store where the purchase is done. It is very important to ensure that the stocking fits well. This is made possible through using a tape measure to get the right measurements. They do not necessarily have to be tight, but they have to be strong. When the person does not get well after self-care or compression stockings, other forms of therapy will be recommended. One such treatment option is sclerotherapy. During this procedure, there is injection of a solution into small and average-sized veins. The solution is supposed to scar and close them. After just a few weeks, the given vein that is treated fades. The procedure will only be effective when done in the correct way. It does not require any form of anesthesia. One vein can be injected more than once. Laser surgery is one of the most effective options. It works very well for closing smaller and spider veins. The procedure works by producing strong beams on the veins, making them to slowly fade and eventually disappear. The procedure does not require the use of needles or incisions. There is the treatment technique that involves using a thin tube, which gets inserted into the particular vein. The thin tube is known as a catheter. Its tip then gets to be heated, with the heat destroying and collapsing the vein. It works best for large varicose veins. Vein stripping involves getting rid of a long vein through small incisions. It is done in the office of the doctor, and the patient released on the same day. Upon consideration of varicose veins treatment, NYC residents could also use endoscopic vein surgery. It is applicable in advanced and severe cases. It is also a procedure that is done in a day.